Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist. Just get the head in there, the ears on. I'm going 4 times the speed. And I'm just looking for shapes. Just basically a map of the general shapes of Kitty right now. And then I'll start refining it. Some lines to help place the eyes. And we'll pop those eyes in there, bring it to life a little. Yeah, I kind of mucked up the eye on our right hand side. I'll fix it a little later. Actually, I think it's later that I actually muck it up. Because I'm voicing over here, so I'm just kind of watching myself draw as I talk. I love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or whatever, what you want to learn about cat drawing. That's where I get my ideas often. I just like hearing from you, and it helps build our awesome community of crazy cat artists too. Just really refining the shapes now and really thinking carefully about which lines I want darkened up and which will just cause too much noise in the drawing, too much distraction for the eye. And of course, there's a reason they call it art, because you're always working on it, right? You're always finding your way. And that's why it's so awesome for us. Keeps our brains young. Cute little mouth. Did a bit of shading on this one. I like it. Had some wiggle lines here, there, everywhere. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.